Fans watched our renovation video. Just take 3,000 yen, 29. The two falling Audi A6 requires that the old debt must be taken down. After renovation, this broken car is no different from scrap metal. Now see how we turn stone into gold. Let him be reborn from the scrap heap as a manager. Take off your alcohol field armor first. It seems that this time I can see it as well as you. We are the chill.
Disassemble like this. Even the engine has to sing. I should see you again. Having the courage to ask for action is the answer. Continue to lift the engine chassis all the way down. Leaks everywhere. Steering machine oil leakage, warm air water pipe leakage, antifreeze. Continue to dismantle. The rear bridge is also stable, leaving incense under the stage. Renovation is also essential. Engine breakup and reorganization. I just changed the conformation and retaught the paper. Let's see what is professional. Assist pump oil drop. How many caddies do you think of this greasy oil? There are also two tails of this recently copied product. Even the line of fire can burn like this. It's all sludge. Car owners save money on oil. It costs the engines rice. In-cylinder grinding loss aid. You can only just get bigger. All parts first come to a set of ultrasonic cleaning. High-precision numerical control soup tank machine arranges light tearing. Continuous knitting, automatic correction inside. Automatic correction of dry holes. Just started the precision attack. Measurement of steel hole roundness by dial meter. Soak in the heating box. In cylinder secondary correction.
Of the steel,
restore the original net door. All accessories are ready. One man, one blow, assembly.
After watching your
performance. Original twisted neck bolt. Test crankshaft penalty. That sounds like a great idea. The big school bag must be made from the original factory. Test piston airtight. Start chassis disassembly.
Oh.
Sandblasting. Soupy Quentower. Scrub sweep. Fill it up.
Is it enough?
Is it enough? We can fix it without changing it. Pay attention to cost performance. Fill in the car and replace all the sets with new ones. Loose and solved perfectly together. Looking into it, you think it's over? We can't be vague about anti-rust paint. Are you satisfied with the renovation to its current state? According to the original factory data, the front and rear bridge experience. My sister is on the bow and my brother is on the shore. The glue should be applied in place. Details cannot be missed. There's no damping at all. It had to change. The last empty gun casting wax, we must do it thoroughly to prevent internal corrosion and rust in the later stage. Next up, some Tech Fisher Alive. Exhaust pipe pickling and rust removal. Remember to wear a mask. The painted plates begin to perform. Using a BASF waterborne silver weapon, environmentally friendly and wear resistant. After spraying, put it in the oven to dry. Make sure the paint is bright enough to be used as a mirror. Thoroughly clean the entire process inside and out. The old car is also a headache specialist. Take advantage of this to make a sound insulation stop for the whole car.
Has to be cleaned up. Last step, chassis armor.
Chassis
cleaning the line to be protected.
The line to be protected is wrapped. 3 layers of rust-proof and scratch-proof armor oil are sprayed on key parts. Completely strengthen the chassis of the old car. The interior is also ready for a new look. From the seat to the ceiling. Say goodbye to wear and tear. Return to the village and start to leave incense. Rear axle engine on board. This technique, this speed, you have to load the car like this.
I see positive film starts.
Positive film starts. Refurbished to this effect.
If you were my father-in-law.
Can you be taken down